99 bottles of beans on the wall. 99 bottles of beans. Monkey see, monkey do. Me put monkey in the zoo. Oh, thank you. Oh, no. Hold on.
She's still doing her pizza.
Oh, I did not.
Not yet done yet. Oh!
Monkey see, monkey do. Me put monkey in the zoo.
Oh, you okay?
I want to. What? Oh yeah, I want French fries. Oh, I said here they are. I finished all those. I want 2 pizzas. Remember? Okay, and then I want all the fruits and vegetables.
Did you're not playing with your sister? What she said?
No, it's just behind me.
Don't choke her. Just let her play. Don't.
Here you go.
Don't choke her. She's not gonna
I'm
end
not
up.
joking. I was eating it. I'm eating it.
Just give it to her.
I did not totally not steal the corn. Monkey see, monkey do, come meet monkey. Monkey see, monkey do, come meet monkey in the zoo. If you make a face, he might make a face one too. He might make one too. Monkey like some may make you. My phone, we do. It's not cracked, we're good. Thank you. Finished. Nom.
Julene, ayan na. Ayan na.
I finished, Solana.
Come on now. Come on.
I finished. Can I make takeout?
She didn't touch it, Jilana. She did not touch it.
I never touched it, buddy. I never touched it.
Jade, it's your turn to play now. Oh, Ate don't give you money.
What about me? I'm right here playing with her.
She give $20.
I need money because I'm playing with her.
No, you don't need money. You need money. I'm making her food. No.
Hey, no, Jilana, say sorry to Julene.
I get $10 of those dollars.
Be nice. Ate don't give you $20, Jilana.
I get $10 of those dollars, correct?
No, Jilana, are you gonna play now? No, play now. Hey, Isa.
I'm hungry.
Okay, play now. Pizza. Are you gonna order now? Okay, Julien's.
I got 9, she gets 20.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
Can I get 10?
Ate Dong is listening, so.
Long, can I get some money? If you get
Shh, Jilana, don't be nice to your sister.
if I get 9, you get 19.